Hello there, I'm Eamon Holmes reporting for Sky News. We have an important story breaking, a Sky News exclusive, and we head now to Studio 1 at Sky Academy Skills Studio.
Hi, I'm Chanel.
And I'm Iman.
And today's headlines are...
Mars spins on its axis around the Sun once every 687 Earth days. The surface temperature of Mars varies from minus 153 degrees Celsius at the poles during winter to 20 degrees Celsius at the equator during summer. Okay.
The distance of Mars from the Earth varies about 54 million kilometers to about 401 kilometers, depending on where the two planets are in their orbit.
The atmosphere of Mars is made up of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon, oxygen, and carbon monoxide. The rest is made up of minor amounts of water and nitrogen.
An exploration rover called Curiosity is currently exploring Mars to see if it can support human life. The Curiosity project has so far cost £2.5 million.
Research published in the Journal of Nature Geoscience suggests the ingredients necessary for life are present in the subsurface of Mars, up to 3 miles below the surface. This has led to a theory that life exists on Mars.
The project scientists for the Curiosity mission declared Mars habitable environment after finding minerals that can only have formed in low acidic water.
If humans were to go on a mission to Mars, it may be a one-way mission, as they would remain on Mars to start life there. Now handing over to Salvatore and Oscar, currently at the North American State Agency.
Thank you to Chanel and Iman. I'm reporting live from outside the NASA headquarters. There have been 40 missions to Mars recognised by NASA. Of these, less than 30% are considered to have been successful. Here is Salvatore from NASA, who's going to tell us a bit more about why the missions have failed.
There were several highly unpredictable factors that phased the mission to Mars, including dramatic dust storms and extremely high winds, which jeopardized the landings of some of the launches.
Obviously, there was a long wait for the shuttles to reach Mars. How does NASA intend to improve the future landing so that more shuttles can land?
At the moment, we collected loads of data from both failed and successful missions. We intend to reinforce the equipment's protective shields, which should ensure the less damage is done to the shuttles.
Thank you, Salvatore. Now back to Samuel and Brentford.
Thank you, Salvatore and Oscar. Hi, Samuel here, reporting live from Brentford. I'm here with Shadi from NASA. We're here to discuss the mission to Mars. First of all, is it possible to go to Mars?
It's definitely possible to go to Mars. We've spent £24 billion. We've trained many employers who are now the best employers, so it's definitely possible.
£24 billion is a lot of money. How would it affect NASA's reputation if it ever failed?
Failure is definitely not an option.
Definitely?
Definitely.
All right, cool. Area 51 has been a talk of London and also reports on aliens. Is there any suspicious things that have been seen by anyone working at NASA?
Area 51?
Area 51, it's been in the movies, it's been the talk of London right now. Are you sure there's nothing on it?
Nah, I don't know.
Quite exciting. Maybe a trip to Mars will be the next big thing. Back to you, Tyrese Mitchell.
Thank you, Samuel. My name is Tyrese Mitchell. I'm reporting on whether it's a good idea for humans to go to Mars. Today I have multi-millionaire, money-making Mike here in the studio with me. Also Bob, who is a scientist. So Bob, what do you think of humans going to Mars?
Well, I need to start by introducing you and let you know about a few of my credentials. I am Bob, scientist, been that way for 20 years, and I am the master of knowledge. That is what I specialise in at university. So, why should we go to Mars? We shouldn't. And we shouldn't go there because I say we shouldn't go there.
What do you think, Mike?
Well, I think this man here is stupid.
I object to you calling me stupid. What grounds are you calling me stupid? I find it appalling that you're trying to take the mickey out of me and say I'm stupid. I have a valued opinion, and I say we shouldn't go to Mars.
You're stupid because you want everyone to believe you because you're a scientist. Just because you're a scientist don't mean nothing.
I use my calculator to formulate the ideas so that I have all the font of knowledge and power so I can make a decision.
Do you think it's dangerous, Mike, to go to Mars? Yes. Dangerous, yes. Mike?
Oh, me? No, not at all. It's alright.
What do you mean it's all right?
It's all right.
What do you mean it's all right?
Is there a problem?
Yes, there is a problem. Yes.
What's the problem?
The problem is that your ideas are absurd. To go to Mars and spend all that lengthy time over there traveling makes no sense.
The amount of money being used on people to go to space is in billions. What do you guys think?
Go on, say something. No, after you. No.
Thank you, goodbye.
Thanks to the team reporting from Sky Academy Skills Studios. That's the end of our special report. I'm Eamon Holmes. Thank you for watching.